guys. Are you in?
I am in.
You're already in the bouncy house. You're
I'm in.
already in the challenge, so
I can win this real quick.
hey, no. You get disqualified if you do that. All right, guys, the challenge begins right now. I'm definitely gonna win this challenge because I do not get bored of making slime. Yeah, sure, I do get tired and my hands do cramp sometimes, but I don't get bored of making slime, okay? You, on the other hand, guys, I don't know.
Bring it on. I'm starting.
I got my bowl.
All right, guys, I'm gonna make the slime first. I'm gonna start making my slime first. So I'm gonna put some school glue. All right, get some school glue. I'm gonna put some birthday cake foam soap. So yeah,
I'm done.
oh, what? Excuse me, that's not slime, that's just clay. We're just gonna be putting a little bit of that, and we're gonna put a little bit of this foamy facial cleanser. Nice. All right, that is it. Oh wait, we forgot the food coloring, but I'll add that right now.
Forget the food. I'm getting hungry already.
We did. It's okay. I can do this, whatever. Whoa! The slime is activating. What? Is it activating? Oh wait, no, never mind. Never mind. That's, is it? Alrighty, and now we are going to go ahead and add the food coloring. So I am going to make it blue. No, yellow. Alright, got some yellow food coloring. Got a big bottle today. Alright, that was a lot. So, alright, let's mix that up. I hope the purple doesn't do anything to it, because, ooh, it looks nice. Alrighty, now we're gonna activate. Okay, so I got my activator. Activate it. Alrighty, and then let's just start kneading it.
While you're finishing up, I'm gonna start mine.
I'm just putting some lotion in mine because I...
Pass the ingredients over.
Okay, I'm just putting lotion in mine because I activated it and then I got all the remaining off the sides and then I put like shaving cream in it, like the foam soap, and then now it's kind of overactivated, so yeah.
My turn. I'm gonna use some foam soap. Ah! Ooh, some glitters. Maybe a different one. Okay, I'll use this one. Ooh, it's so pretty. I'm gonna stay here forever. I'm gonna take my time.
You guys can't see what I'm doing. It's a secret.
Yeah, okay, Paul.
Okay, Paul.
Whatever. Calm down.
Okay.
Oh,
No,
don't put that. That's gonna be weird.
Stop looking.
Hey, geez. I'm gonna put my clay now. Yeah. Ooh, yes. Okay. Add the clay into here. All right, we're gonna put this on this. Yes. See, the magic work. Yes. Look at that. Beautiful. Kind of sucks that we don't have a table in here.
Yeah, well, look at mine.
What did you do?
I don't know, but it's so pretty. It's gonna be called Sparkling Mermaid. Just because I want it to be called that. I think it needs more glitter.
Oh yeah, Mom? Well, what about this? Ow!
This reminds me of frozen yogurt, actually.
What kind of frozen yogurt are you eating?
Look at that.
And voila! I swear. Paul, what are you doing?
I'm still making my slime. I don't know how you guys are done.
Let me help you.
Oh my
Thank
God.
you. Hey, wait, that's too much. Stop, stop, stop. Stop.
Is that enough? I was helping you. I was helping you.
I said stop.
I'm just minding my own business making my slime.
Oh, really?
What? Oh, nothing. Come on, I have the camera.
I was being nice.
Yeah.
Look at how pretty.
I don't know. For your
Oh
slime.
my God.
No, don't
Oh
do
my
it.
God. Please don't do it. Yeah.
Will it ruin my slime?
Kind of.
There you go.
Oh
You
my
can
God.
have it back, Paul.
Thank you.
Guys, we don't have any paper towels, so you're just gonna kind of have to wipe that on your clothing. Or you could get out of the bouncy house and go get him.
Oh, I can grab your slime.
Hey, no! Give me my slime!
I'm cleaning my hands.
Oh yeah?
No, you said you'd be disqualified if you did that.
Well, put my slime back. And I said you'd be disqualified, not me.
Ha 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 ha. Only Paul's gonna get disqualified.
Oh yeah, well you said nothing about foaming soap.
You'll just get qualified. Nobody can spray anything at anybody,
So
okay?
you can't either.
Yeah. All right, I'm all done with my butter slime.
And I'm all done with my fluffy slime.
Slime fight! Yeah!
something, Ameerah.
What?
This is a bouncy house.
No!
It's a bouncy house.
You stop it!
I can't stop this being a bouncy house.
Never getting out! I hurt my finger!
I'm winning this challenge. I'm not getting out. I'm gonna keep putting lotion on this to see what happens. My finger. Alright guys, so I'm gonna continue to keep putting lotion. I'm gonna put a lot.
I'm gonna do my next slime and I think it's gonna be fluffy. Got pigmento and we put it inside the Molo
Tazón.
Tazón. And then you get Chacho.
Crema de afeitar.
Crema de fritar. Sprayo everywhere.
Hey, this is getting pretty cool.
I'm also gonna put some of this unicorn foam lotion, creme. Yeah. Alright, and then we're gonna put some cotton candy shampoo. That's it. And then we're gonna be making this one blue. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, there's a mess in there. Alright, let's mix it all up. Beautiful! It's beautiful and it smells fantastic. I'm gonna try and see if I can activate it with this because I think this has baking soda. Oh no, you know what? I don't know. Never mind. Whatever, we're just gonna put that in there too. And we're gonna have fluffy slime! Alright guys, I'm also making my blue fluffy slime! Yeah. Look at that. It's very, very light blue and it looks so pretty and it's super fluffy. Here, look at it. You can't really hear it because the giant blower, but yeah, it's very nice. I am going to turn this into an iceberg slime. Okay.
Wait, here's mine after putting like almost a whole bottle of lotion.
Pretty nice. Hey, no throwing slime at each other, you children.
I'm not throwing, I'm
Keep
hitting.
making slime. Hey, you can't stop making slime.
I think I'm gonna, Ameerah, I have some of your slime here for some weird reason. What else should I put on this?
This is gonna be so easy for me to win. I'm just gonna keep making this one slime better and better.
Well, I'm gonna make a bunch of slimes, a bunch of better slimes, a bunch of fantastic slimes. Okay, so I'm winning this challenge, guys. Mom! What are you doing?
I'm just adding stuff to my slime.
You're not supposed to. I mean, I guess you can, but it's just that's kind of a weird slime to add fishbowl to.
Well, I'm just experimenting here since I have a long way to go. I have all the time of my life.
You know what? I think I actually might make a fishbowl slime too.
This is gonna be amazing.
That was a lot of red.
That's why it's gonna be amazing.
Okay.
Look at that.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Looks like a jelly-filled donut.
It looks like strawberry shortcake or something, like cheesecake, you know? What are you doing?
Oh, I'm just making my slime bigger and better.
Okay.
I'm gonna keep adding stuff.
Alrighty, this time I'm gonna make a fishbowl because I kind of feel like making a crunchy slime. So yeah. Alright, so we're gonna put white glue in here. Okay, this one I am gonna make it a light yellow. Light yellow. Okay, and then we're gonna add some of this cotton candy body wash because I just want it to be kind of like glossy, and I feel like that will help. Plus, it smells
delicious.
Smells delicious. Okay, and
Oh, really? It smells delicious?
Yep.
I take some. Oh.
hey, I'm doing my part. I need some lotion. Can you give me some lotion, Mom? Mom, did you overactivate yours?
No.
Oh yeah, we'll stretch it. Okay, alright, I'm gonna put some lotion for Mom! Trying to get some Mom! Fine. Okay, mix that up, and then we're gonna activate! Yeah! Alright, here you go. Thanks, Mom. Can I have that activated? Alright, let's mix. Here's the fishbowl beads.
Fishbowl beads.
Alrighty, now I'm gonna add my fishbowl beads to my slime. Alright. Oh no, I didn't want to get it on the other over here. There we go. Mix that all up together. And we're gonna make Rice Krispie slime, guys. Looks cool already.
Oh my gosh, Ameerah!
What?
What's going on?
Oh, it's bubbles! Bubble gum!
Oh my gosh!
Can I have a lotion? It's mine.
Fine. My slime's exploding, guys. Look.
Oh my gosh, it's getting so much bubbles. I think if I add more and more clay, it'll get better and better, right?
Yeah, Paul.
I think this is gonna be good.
Mom, you
My
got,
slimes are amazing. Look at that, Paul. Mine
you got this yellow one,
Yep.
this blue one, and that pink one over there. And then I have my Rice Krispie one. I like it a lot.
Oh yeah, well this is not a competition of who can make the most. It's a competition who can last the longest making slime in the bouncy house. I know what my next ingredient is gonna be.
What? No! What the heck, Paul? I worked so hard in the
Oh, look at that! That's amazing!
You know what,
Whoa,
Paul?
you can't do that!
Yeah,
That's
you
not
can't
allowed.
do that either.
You didn't say
You
that.
can't do.
You didn't.
Get out of here! Get out of here! Get out of here! Get out! Get out! Get out! Out!
That's what you get.
Yes! We got you, Paul! Yes! That's what you get! Hey, what are you doing? Stop
That's
that!
right!
No!
I'm dead in the air!
Paul! Oh my gosh! Paul! What did you do?
Ha ha ha!
Whoa!
You guys are gonna go down!
No! Mom, put this slime in the bowl! Stop doing that, Paul!
Well, you took me out, so now this is gonna be a lot harder
You
for you.
mixed all my slime!
This is gonna be a lot harder for
No!
you.
Don't, please! I'll give you $10. I'll give you $10.
For what?
If you stop deflating the bounty, I'll give you $10.
Okay, deal.
Yay!
And noodles. I have to have noodles.
Oh, and noodles, of course.
Okay, deal.
Moments later.
I had to do it one more time.
Get out of here, Paul! I want to do it!
How you can't get me?
Yes, I can.
Oh shoot! No!
I'm not afraid to use my weapon. What are you doing? Hey, what? Stop! Stop! No! No! I told you I paid $10.
You never said anything about slime.
No! Paul! No! I'm gonna no! Paul!
Oh shoot!
Oh! That's giant! Ah! What the?
I'm out already. You don't need to do that. Oh!
Dang. Look at this other slime I made. It's so pretty and really glossy and flaky.
Oh, that looks really cool. Let me
my
get in so I can see it better.
You're disgusting!
You know what? I think I'm done.
Yeah!
I think I'm done.
You're already disqualified! Paul, what the heck? What did you get to? Okay, Paul, if you don't stop
Well,
right.
you took me out, so I'm taking revenge.
Okay, I didn't take you out, okay? You decided to flip out, alright? Okay. And second of all, if you stop doing all of this, stop messing us up, I'll give you
$5 more.
I'll give you $10.10.
That's a good deal, Paul.
I'll take $0 and 10 packs of noodles.
All right. Deal. Haha, I got slime on you.
Wow, it didn't stick.
Okay.
All right, guys. So I really want to win this challenge, and Ameerah's over there busy playing with her slime. So I have a great idea. I'm gonna tell her that I want to go pee, and then I'm gonna drop some activator on myself, and then she's gonna think that I peed myself, and that's disgusting. So she's just gonna run out, right? So let's try this, because I'm winning this challenge.
I'm gonna make some more slime.
All right, guys.
I think you would make some fluffy. Oh, I really need to pee. I really needed to pee. I really needed to pee. What was that? Nothing. I just. Is that? That's so disgusting. Okay, well, I'm sorry. I really wanted to go pee, and that was disgusting. I won. I didn't pee on myself. It's activator. I won. No, you're lost. You're done. You're out, and the winner is me. No. Come on, that's not fair. Stop. Yes, I win once more. All right, Mom, I guess you win this challenge.
I guess I do.
You know what? Next time I'm gonna act like I peed on you. See how you like it.
That's nasty.
I'm gonna pee on all of you.
Why would you do that? Ew. You're nasty, Ameerah.
Alright guys, if you guys want a part 2 to this, make sure you comment down below and press that like button and the subscribe button and the notification button. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Were you guys able to do that? I did that one by surprise, so yeah. Alright guys, so that's it. Thank you so much, and I really hope to see you next time. Bye.